Y'all, one of my friends just hit me up talking about it's a Halloween party tonight and I'm going with her. Y'all, I'm lit. I'm about to go get me a Halloween costume because I ain't wearing that angel costume again. Let's get dressed and let's go to the stove. Alright, so this gonna be a little fit, just a little pullover sweatshirt type jump and some cute little leggings, and I'm gonna throw my Vans on, but let's go to the stove. I'm at my friend's house picking her up because she wanted to go to the costume store with me. So her and my little guy baby is coming. All right, everybody. So I didn't really record much in the stores or at all, honestly, because we had the baby with us and me and my best friend were passing the baby back and forth while we were taking turns like looking for stuff. And he was doing good. And then when we got back in the car to go get his daddy, he started having a fit. So we had to go home. I went to 6 different stores looking for a schoolgirl outfit. I found 0 schoolgirl outfits. So I went into Spirit Halloween, because you know they be popping up out of nowhere. And I got me a Playboy bunny costume. I don't care if it says sequin bunny kid. It's a Playboy bunny costume today. And I got me a black bodysuit with like a nice V cut. And I'm going to put that over this. I also have 2 different pairs of stockings. So I'm going to try both of them on with the outfit and figure out which one I actually want to wear. And I'm debating on if I want to put on a pair of black heels or just regular black shoes. I kind of don't want to wear heels because it's a party. And that don't make no sense. So the bunny kit comes with the ears, a choker, and 2 cuffs, like cufflinks. And my shirt is long sleeve, so it won't look stupid for me to just have cuffs on my hands and no shirt. But hold on, I'm just trying to cut this out. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair. Because honestly, I could leave it like this, but I kind of, I might leave it like this. All right, y'all, this isn't me getting ready. This is just me trying on my outfit. My shirt obviously doesn't fit me, but I fixed it with a corset. And I can pull it down inside the corset and fix it up. This isn't how I'm going to have it tied. I'm going to have it tied in the back. But it matches my ears, the choker, and the cufflinks that I have to go with it. Now I just need to find some shoes. But before that, I'm going to start on my face because I need to get my makeup done because that be taking forever because I don't do makeup. So tune in for part 2 of me actually getting ready.